Good morning from the sleepy town of Agartala, and I have barely slept for 2 hours. What we have ahead is a 12-hour train journey.
ভাড়া দিয়ে দিছে
In India, the toughest thing you can do is to crack the IAS exam, and the second most difficult thing is to find your train. Well, I found the train, bogie, where we are staying, and it seems like I'm the stupid one.
আসলে একদম ভিড় নাই মানে অন্যদিন যে ভিড় থাকে আমার পেটটা হ্যাম ব্লক করা
And off it goes. And our train is 2 hours late. This door is a pain in the ass because every time someone comes, I have to close it. At least we deserve some clean windows for the views, but what can you do? Every time someone passes, this pain in the ass door remains half open, half closed, and I have to push it close every damn time.
ছোলা খাবি ছোলা কি খাবি
আমরা তো বাপজন চলতে বাইতে গিয়ে পূজা করে আপনারা
The only bad thing about a train journey is that when you have no internet, no movies to watch, no music to listen to, and you are left with your own thoughts. There is absolutely nothing to show in this train. This is the only thing which is happening in the train. Or else, okay, something just happened and it's not for good. A vendor came and just slammed the door, and so I'm trying to fix it with, let's see. I know it's a failure, but so my idea of fixing the door did not work, and
Janmuni kin
Germany.
धरो
ये भैया से लेके जाओ दोस्त आशीर्वाद भी दीजिए उनकी एक सुंदर सा लड़की मिली अच्छा से
और कितना लड़की मिलेगा? मैं शादी हो गया।
शादीशुदा हो क्या
हाँ, यही मेरी वाइफ है। ठीक है, लो बिस्कुट
इसी भी दिया है भैया
दोनों की तरफ से दे।
हाँ दोनों की तरफ से
So I haven't mentioned the name of the train. It's Charlapalli Express. Never take this train. Seriously, this train has no self-esteem. It waits for everybody and wastes our time. I mean, like, if I had taken a flight, it would have been far better. But no, we had to take Charlapalli Express and wait in every station. The award for the worst train in India goes to Charlapalli Express. It's all about just waiting and waiting and waiting. Waiting for Godot. Brother Kodi? Finally, some views.
এই গাইডটা সামনে তো অতিরিক্ত সাহস
ও দিয়ে দাও পিছনে ধাক্কা দিছে পুরো ওখানে পিছনে এমনি ধাক্কা দিছে মানে ভিডিও মানে কাছে দিছো
So we are heading towards Haflong and we already can see the mountains. So finally we are in Haflong and let me show you something.
ये कितना
Woke up from a nap and found out that this Charlapalli Express is like 4.5 hours late. Worst train experience ever. The worst. I now really feel for the people who travel 3-4 days on a train. For me, this 12-hour journey is becoming a nightmare.
আমি গোবাই সবাই ভিডিও করো
দশটা আটাইশে কমতেছে আস্তে আস্তে কোন ডাবল ট্রেক তো
We took the train thinking that we will have some fun. it's time to say goodbye to the worst train in the world, Charlapalli.